Hello and welcome to Fun English Friends. Are you ready to make your English listening fun and easy? This is a cozy place where we learn English in a fun, simple, and friendly way. Whether you're a beginner or still growing in your English journey, you're in the right place. Today, we'll also practice shadowing. Before we start, do you know what shadowing means? Let me tell you. Shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it right after the speaker, just like an echo. You try to copy the pronunciation, speed, and tone as closely as you can. It helps you sound more natural when speaking English. How to shadow effectively. First, listen to the audio once. Next, repeat each line until you match the speed and intonation. Then, do it without reading. Focus on sounding natural. Don't worry about being perfect. Just enjoy the practice and keep going. Now let's begin. Listen closely and enjoy the moment.
Hi. Today, I want to share with you my daily routine. It's not always the same, but this is what a cozy and productive day looks like for me. Let's begin. My day starts at around 6:30 in the morning. I wake up to the gentle sound of my alarm clock. Sometimes I press snooze once or twice. I'm only human. When I finally sit up, I stretch my arms and take a deep breath. I look outside my bedroom window. If it's sunny, I feel extra grateful. If it's rainy, I feel cozy. Either way, I always say to myself, "Thank you for this new day." After getting out of bed, I slip my feet into my soft slippers. I head to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water. It helps me wake up. Then I make my bed. It's a simple habit, but it makes my room look neat and makes me feel ready for the day. Next, I go to the kitchen. I boil some water for my morning tea. While waiting, I open the window to let in fresh air. I love listening to the birds chirping outside. I make myself a cup of green tea and sit by the window. I sip it slowly, enjoying the warmth. Sometimes I write in my journal. Just a few lines about how I feel or what I'm looking forward to. This helps clear my mind. After tea, it's breakfast time. Today, I make scrambled eggs with a slice of toast and an apple. Nothing fancy, but it's delicious. I also prepare a small bowl of yogurt with honey. While I eat, I like to listen to some gentle music or a podcast. I don't check my phone yet. I save that for later. I want my morning to feel calm and slow. By 8 a.m., I'm ready to work. I work from home, so my commute is just a few steps from my kitchen to my small desk by the window. I light a scented candle. Lavender is my favorite. I open my laptop and check my to-do list. My work is a mix of writing and designing, so I need to stay focused. I set a timer for 45 minutes and work in short, productive sprints. After each sprint, I stand up, stretch, and drink some water. Sometimes I play with my cat, Luna, who always tries to sit on my keyboard. At noon, I take a proper lunch break. Today, I make a simple salad with fresh veggies and some grilled chicken. I love adding colorful peppers and a sprinkle of cheese. If the weather is nice, I eat lunch on my small balcony. I watch the clouds drift by and feel the breeze on my face. It's a lovely way to reset my mind. After lunch, I wash the dishes right away so I don't have to think about them later. Back to work. In the afternoon, I usually feel a little sleepy around 2 p.m. So I make myself an iced coffee or herbal tea. I put on soft background music. It helps me stay inspired. Sometimes I need a break from the screen. So I stand up and do a few stretches or water my plants. I have a tiny jungle in my apartment. A few potted plants on shelves and a big monstera by the window. Caring for them makes me happy. I finish work around 5:30 p.m. I shut down my laptop and tidy my desk. This small habit helps me feel like the workday is really over. Before dinner, I go for a short walk in my neighborhood. I love watching people walking their dogs or kids playing in the park. Sometimes I stop by a small bakery to get a fresh loaf of bread. When I get home, I cook dinner. Tonight it's pasta with homemade tomato sauce and a side salad. I enjoy cooking while playing my favorite playlist. After dinner, I wash up and change into comfy pajamas. I light another candle, this time with a warm vanilla scent. I like to spend the evening reading a book or watching a good feel movie. If I'm feeling creative, I might write in my journal again or plan for the next day. Before bed, I do a short stretching routine and take a few deep breaths. I put away my phone and switch to airplane mode. Finally, I slip under my soft blanket and whisper to myself, "Today was a good day." Then I close my eyes and drift off to sleep, ready for another cozy day tomorrow. Thank you for shadowing with me today. I hope you enjoyed practicing your English with this story. Remember, you can listen to it again and again. Try to mimic the rhythm, pronunciation, and intonation. With each repeat, you'll feel more natural and confident. If you'd like, I can create more stories like this. Just let me know.
Great job practicing with us today. Keep shadowing every day. The more you do it, the more confident and fluent you'll become. If you enjoyed this shadowing practice, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new practice session. See you next time, and happy shadowing!